Now it's time to talk about SEO. So how do we do this? I will give you a very practical approach to SEO. So this is extremely easy. You should do this all the time. It will work every time. So we will use the tool that I told you. So that is erank.com. We go on the website, make an account. You don't have to pay for the membership. You can use the free membership. It is pretty easy. You go under Tools, Keyword Tool, and we will just optimize this listing, for example. So we have a mental health awareness shirt. I will just select it and click on Edit in here. And let's optimize this one. So we go on erank. I will just type whatever the design says. So we have mental health awareness shirt. And in here we have some metrics. So these specific keywords have a very low search volume. So this is not a good choice for design to sell. But the competition is very low, which has high potential. But if it would have had good traffic, we don't have good traffic, so it's kind of wasted. But if we delete the awareness keyword, you will see that this has traffic. So that was more specific with the awareness included. So now you can see that we have a lot of traffic and a lot of competition as well. So I can just type mental health shirt. We will go all the way to the bottom. I'll just let it load. I'll just wait a bit. Okay. And what we can do here is the following thing. I will just sort this by daily views from high to low. And as you can see, now I already have the best performing one from all these results in here. Only 100 results are shown. So I have 16.7 daily views. Usually what is around 20 daily views has potential to be a good selling design. So let's just optimize the listing. How do we do this? I will just drag this window in here to have them side by side. So I can just pick this one or this one. It doesn't matter. They are both the same. I will just pick the second one. So I'll just say mental health awareness t-shirt. I can simply just do this. I can copy the title so it doesn't even matter. But I will just delete what doesn't make sense. So I will just delete the last ones. All right, mental health shirt. Be kind to you. I will delete this one because my design doesn't say this. It is always best to find the same design or similar design so you optimize around it again. In this case, the designs are different. We don't have the same thing, but we have the same keyword. That matters. So we can easily get the keywords from them and optimize the listing based on what they have. Mental health shirt. Let's see what else they have. Mental health awareness. All right. So I can just leave it like this. And in the tags, I can simply add everything that they have. If something from this listing doesn't look good to me or doesn't make sense, I could just pick another one. So this one is for suicide prevention, mental health. I can just pick some keywords from here, but no, I won't. Let me see if I can find something that fits more. Let me just do this. I can just go for mental health awareness. Mental health awareness. To be more precise, maybe I will find something that performs good. So I will go on the bottom again. Because I didn't like what I found. And sort for by daily views again. Yeah, this one is way better. So the daily views are better as well. And everything that is in here, I like way more. And we have the same phrase on the shirt, so we can easily optimize around this. So I'll just copy these keywords. I'll throw them in the title. And I think that I can leave every single one of them. Instead of mental health matters, I can type awareness. Because that is the first phrase of my shirt. And I don't think I will change anything else. Maybe I can type mental health matters in here. because I already have mental health matters in the beginning. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the title. I can do that. And then I can just go in the tags and I will just copy every single tag, because every single tag that this guy has fits my specific listing easily. So Bella canvas shirt anxiety. Well, Bella canvas anxiety shirt therapist. You got the idea. So I can just take every single one of them. Okay, mental awareness, mental health matters, school psychologist, counselor, gift, depression, shirt, suicide prevention. I might have mistyped some of them, I'm not sure. But this is the main idea. That's how you do it. So it is very, very easy to optimize the listing this way. I've always done this and it works. I've ranked products to the first page. But keep in mind, when it comes to SEO, just doing this alone and not bringing any traffic to your listing, you'll never rank on the first page. So it doesn't work like that. You need traffic. So traffic is the most important factor. Then you need favorites, you need orders, you need backlinks if possible. Backlinks means that your specific listing has been mentioned on other pages. That gives credibility. So that helps SEO. But the most important thing is this. Have the keywords and the tags in your listing, like I did. Bring traffic to your listing by running ads. And then you will test your product and see if it has potential or not. But I will show you how to find winners easily in the next video. But this is how you optimize. It is very easy to do SEO this way. So just go for the top performing listing that has the most daily views for your specific keywords that are in the design. And afterwards, just copy the title from a specific competitor, get the tags, and you're good to go. Because this specific competitor is already performing well with these keywords, so they are doing the job of bringing traffic to these keywords. You're already doing what they're doing, so this will help you a lot. You already have the good keywords. Your design fits with the keywords. It's all good. All right. Something else that is important after doing this. So you're done with this. That's how simple it is. You're done. I'll just publish it again. You will have to add the keywords that are in the title in the description as well. And this is important because this means keyword density. So the more times your keywords are repeated in your product, doesn't matter if it's title or description. That's why everyone does this and it mentions 10,000 keywords. I'm just joking, not 10,000, but you got the idea. That's why everyone mentions so many keywords in the title. This helps them out to bring traffic for as many keywords as possible that fit their actual niche. So now we will just edit these keywords in the description as well. So I will just click edit. And at the end of the description, this is a feature that Etsy mentioned recently. So you have to mention the keywords that are using the title in the description as well. So I can just type it like this. That's how I do it. Extra tags, and I just paste them. It's good enough. It works. It doesn't matter. It's all about repeating the keywords. But don't do this 100 times. Just once, copy the title, paste it. You're good to go. So I'll just click publish. And that was it. This listing is optimized. Let's say that we had another product. So I'll just go into erank again. And I know a design that I have. So I'll just type for it. I'll just search for it. Keeper of the gender shirt. Or I can just type, keeper of the gender is better. I can just type gender reveal, which is the actual niche. So you can see that the stats are higher.